for the FPU Lady Tamaraos. Now the Clarice Loresco go along. Blessing Unekwe will be the new addition to the starting lineup. A healthy Embanagwa, and it's a good thing.
We need height. And as Coach Kung Fu mentioned, they're no longer Miss Universe na daw sila with their height advantage this season in some possessions. And again, they do want to be making a lot of waves in the off-season.
Yes.
Super intact starting six, as you can see, being led by their setter in Tin Ubaldo.
And I think they're extremely confident about their chances too, Neil. And there's a palpable excitement in the FEU community because of their chances this year. And right away, it is their high school. And then, of course, the off-season injuries to Jonah Perdido, starting opposite player, and of course their talent. We've heard it's really finding a home in a position because she's been changing outside. 23 aces in season 86. They're tied at number 1. Reverse set to Bacanque. FEU taking the lead back.
It's a long day.
4 sets between FEU and UST in the men's. FEU taking that one. Reverse.
Oh, great timing from Petalio.
That's what you were talking about, her blocking.
It was in the right.
But she didn't make it in time, so Embanagwa has to serve that. That's a very tight set. Altea will send it over. The lead is 2 for FEU. Make that 3. FEU looking confident. And again, Altea this time. Offense coming from Jean Assis again. Jurado, 1 point in this set so far, over receive. Cassie. Poyos in the middle. UST playing catch-up all throughout this set number 1. For FEU, looking to take set number 1. A joust. Jump set. Coverage. Altea tips it. Pepito. Back to Marga. That drops in.
That's another block for Panangin.
And like I said earlier, FEU walking around, Neil, looking very, very confident. And the confidence coming from a few things. They had a great preseason. They had a great offseason. They're healthy. That's right. That was March 3, 2024 here at the SM Mall of Asia Arena, where Sai Sagula came in and set dulo na ng set number 3. Played until set number 5, scored 13 points off the bench and a reverse sweep by UST against FEU, a game that Manolo...
Opportunities to attack. Yun yung ginagawa ni Tin Ubaldo for FEU.
Kapitin yung talon ni Altea. Tagaod. Doug. Lapit. Camille Abanto, our first referee, awards the point to UST.
I think they were saying
on that other side, she had 1 blocker. Cassie pulls, sent back by Bacanque. Abu again.
Abu has been the king
for season 87. Boy, they miss her here. As an ace, served up by Reg Jurado. Cetaphil fast serve, sensitive skin needs. 15-11, the biggest lead of the match now. Pons receiving. Chance to counter. Back set to Jurado, mababa. Encarnacion looks at Lopez. Lopez cross court. Carvalho has Angge Poyos on the other side. But Bacanque says no entry.
This has been Faida Bacanque's set. She has checked Angge Poyos twice.
What a way to really tell everybody she's here. Pabalik sa kanya. Sends it over. Jurado with a dive. Altea asking for it. Miss hit. Bacangke again.
Again, an open block.
Yeah. Kitang-kita mo sa pattern, Neil. Matras na sila.
Their best option.
Lead back to 6. This time the block. Poyos meeting Bacangke at the top. But she will be fine. Ate can always help her. Check back.
The power is there.
Power is there. The jump is there. Shoot set. Angge! Whoa, what a recovery there by Pepito. Miranda leaves it for Loresco. Pepito. Jurado. Smart play by the judge. And the executioner here in set number 2.
We knew that this game was going to be a long one.
Don't say we didn't warn you during the pregame. 11 points in the match. 9 of them came in that second set. It's a brand new ball game now. Oh, Pepito still able to get to it. But a smart play by FEU there. In set number 1, UST looked very good. In set number 2 right now, it's all FEU again as Inekwe comes back in and is blocked by the very smart blocker, Petalio. The
Battle of sprints as well in terms of scoring.
Altea delays that hit. Bacangke with the push. Cassie to Angge in the middle. Delayed by the blockers of FEU. Bacangke will try again. And targets that spot again.
That is the disadvantage if you really give her an open block. There was confusion on the floor.
And away from USC now. Bahay to Altea. Cross court. So the youngsters now taking over, but Cassie and Reg will come back in for a while.
The passes of UST trying to make the best decision kahit sa out-of-system plays.
Petalio again.
Defense has been on and off as well for UST. That's something na kailangan ma-figure out.
Petalio. Bacangke is turned away. On the other side.
Chen Tagaud wasn't happy that pickup from Tinobaldo.
4 points away from a 2-1 lead for FEU. What a sharp serve for Faida. Baldo running attack by Asis is in. Everything working.
And going to the end line, targeting the sweeper position. Kitang-kita natin yung motivation ni Coach Tina Salak to always finish in the best way possible.
One hand pickup there. And another giveaway by UST to FEU. And choices from Ubaldo.
Out of the Tina Salak playbook.
And you also see, Neil, Coach Kung Fu really cannot settle on a rotation yet. And that's what you said also at the start of this match. The starting and a giveaway right away to FEU. And just Jurado to Tagaud. Jurado was there for coverage. Poyo sends it over. Tin. Asis spanking that ball. UST 9-8 UST. That breaks a 4-0 run.
Respond.
12-10.
And they do.
They change it up there. They change it
In
up.
the previous set, they only converted 7. We're at 18%.
Very close. But it still goes through. Altea from behind. Pump pass to Tagaod. Bumalik sa FEU. Elerina puts it away. We'll see. They might not have a choice. Pacanque. That's the set she likes. Better defense by UST. Petalio again.
Alam niya rin yung habits and tendencies nung nasa harapan niya.
Combination play. Swung. Petalio. Two-way player. And then on offense, Wahe will have a full front line. Petalio. Wahe. Poyos. Denied! Loresco!
Punta yung setters ng UST kay Poyos.
Ooh, misreceived. Chance ball. Looking to tie. Petalio. Altea. Reverse. Long ball. Dikit. Another joust. That is out for Loresca. Good idea, Neil. Natulak. Nakita ni Pepito. Changes your mind. Pinabawi. That's in.
35.
Altea. Just not strong enough. Tagaod. Good coverage there by Wahe. Altea again. Loresco tips it over. Pepito. To Nop. Denied. Wahe. Uneque. What a point!
Light up that fire on offense.
Bumalik sa UST. Carvalho. It's low for Abu. The biggest lead of UST in this set. Petalio receiving. Sending it over. Carvalho. Back to the rookie, Altea. Elerina. Very tight. Scramble. Poyos will send it over. Another tight one. Pepito able to get it over. Ubaldo to Tagaod. Jerry Tagaod.
And you still have Elerina as an option for that quick attack.
Good defense by Encarnacion. Carvalho chooses Abu again. No entry! And it's in Ubaldo. It's in her hands. Pepito receiving. Jurado. That's a great save by Encarnacion. Carvalho to Jurado again. No touch. It's out. And FEU. There's a block touch challenge here. What a save by Encarnacion first to set up that play.
FEU has tallied 15 kill blocks in this game. UST only has 7. One of the stat lines na talagang nagpaangat sa FEU in this game. UST is still hoping for a block touch of that combination play. I'm looking at this replay. It looked like it was really outside. That was a clean A block from Eliarina. So FEU will take this game and score 10 as they open their campaign in UAAP Season 87 with a big win against the Golden Tigresses.